Water use and pollution. Water is the essential element that makes life on Earth possible. Without water, there would be no life. We usually take water for granted. It flows from our taps when they are turned on. Most of us are able to bath when we want to, swim when we want to, and water our gardens. Like good health, we ignore water when we have it. Water that is found in streams, rivers, lakes, wetlands, and artificial reservoirs is called surface water. Water that percolates into the ground and fills the pores in soil and rock is called groundwater. Porous water saturated layers of sand, gravel, or bedrock through which groundwater flows are called aquifers. Most aquifers are replenished naturally by rainfall that percolates downward through the soil and rock. This process is called natural recharge. If the withdrawal rate of aquifer exceeds its natural recharge rate, then water table is lowered. Any pollutants that discharge onto the land above is also pulled into the aquifer and pollutes the groundwater, resulting in a polluted water in the nearby wells. Water pollution happens when toxic substances enters water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and so on, getting dissolved in them, lying suspended in the water, or depositing on the bed. This degrades the quality of water. Not only does this spell disaster for aquatic ecosystems, the pollutants also seep through and reach the groundwater, which might end up in our household as contaminated water we use in our daily activities, including drinking. Sources and effect of water pollution. Water pollution can be caused in a number of ways. One of the most polluting being city sewage and industrial waste discharge. Indirect sources of water pollution included contaminants that enter the water supply from soil or groundwater system and from the atmosphere via rain. Soils or groundwaters contains the residue of human agricultural practices and also improperly disposed of industrial waste. There are several classes of common water pollutants. These are the disease-causing agents or pathogens, which include bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and parasitic worms that enter water from domestic sewage and untreated human and animal waste. Another category of water pollutant is oxygen-depleting waste. These are organic waste that can be decomposed by aerobic oxygen-requiring bacteria. Large population of bacteria use up the oxygen present in water to degrade this waste. If too much organic matter is added to the water, all the available oxygen is used up. This causes fish and other forms of oxygen-dependent aquatic life to die. A third class of pollutants are inorganic plant nutrients. These are the water-soluble nitrates and phosphate that cause excessive growth of algae and other aquatic plants. The excessive growth of algae and aquatic plants due to added nutrient is called eutrophication. They may interfere with the use of the water by clogging water intake pipes, changing the taste and odor of the water, and cause a building up of organic matter. As the organic matter decays, oxygen levels decrease and fish and other aquatic species will die. The fourth class of water pollutant is water soluble inorganic chemicals, which are acids, salts, and compounds of toxic metals such as mercury and lead. High levels of these chemicals can make the water unfit to drink, harm fish and other aquatic life, reduce crop yields, and accelerated corrosion of equipment that use this water. Another cause of water pollution is a variety of organic chemicals, which include oil, gasoline, plastics, pesticides, cleaning solvents, detergent, and many other chemicals. These are harmful to aquatic life and human health. They get into the water directly from industrial activity, either from improper handling of the chemicals in industries and more often from improper and illegal disposal of chemical waste.
Audio Jungle.